Welcome back to Beautyistic, where beauty meets brains and honesty is always in style. Today, we're diving into a post-procedure skincare solution that claims to do a lot more than just soothe. This is the DNA Repair Complex Pro Scar Treatment Serum by Rescue MD. It's designed to support skin that's been through it, whether that's due to cosmetic treatments, sun damage, or scarring. Fragrance-free, suitable for all skin types, and packed with active ingredients, this serum is all about skin recovery and rejuvenation. Let's break it down. This serum comes in a 120 milliliter pump bottle, generous by treatment serum standards. Its purpose? To address discoloration, redness, uneven skin texture, and scarring. The formula highlights several standout ingredients: glycerin for hydration, Lapachol, a compound derived from the Lapachol tree known for its antioxidant properties, Peptides to help stimulate collagen and elastin production, Allantoin for calming inflammation, and Rosehip Seed Oil, a natural source of vitamin A that targets pigmentation and scars. It's also free from added fragrance, which is a plus for sensitive skin. I tested this over 4 weeks on areas with old acne scars and some post-laser treatment redness on my cheekbone area. Application was easy. It has a lightweight gel serum texture that absorbs surprisingly fast without that tacky finish. It played well under my moisturizer and didn't interfere with makeup during the day. I used it twice daily, and it slotted into my routine without any drama. Now here's where it gets interesting. Within the first week, I noticed less redness, especially after using a retinol the night before. Over time, my skin texture started to even out. Those little rough patches felt smoother, and older scars looked slightly faded. Did it erase everything? No, but it made visible progress, and that's a win in my book. A quick call out. If you're enjoying this review so far, hit that like button, subscribe to Beautyistic, and click the bell icon. Your support helps us keep giving you honest, no-fluff reviews on products that actually matter. Back to the serum, pros and cons. Pros: it's fragrance-free, which is essential for reactive skin, and the formulation is smart, hydrating, soothing, and reparative. It's also suitable for use immediately after professional treatments, which makes it a solid recovery serum for post-peel or microneedling routines. Cons? The price is steep, especially if you're not targeting multiple skin concerns. Also, results take time. This isn't an overnight fix. And if you have deep pitted scars or keloids, this won't be a miracle worker, but it can soften the appearance and improve texture around them. Now, is it worth the money? At this size, 120 ml, it actually stretches further than you'd expect. Most serums cap out at 30 or 50 milliliters, so you're getting more product here, which helps justify the higher price tag. And the fact that it's formulated for post-procedure use adds clinical value. It's not just a cosmetic serum, it's designed with recovery in mind. That said, it's not for someone casually looking to fade a tiny scar from a bug bite. This is more of a recovery-grade product. Compared to other scar treatments like silicone gels or vitamin C serums, Rescue MD's DNA Repair Complex stands out because it targets not just pigmentation, but texture, redness, and inflammation all at once. It's more comprehensive than your standard dark spot corrector. Build quality is excellent. The pump bottle dispenses cleanly with zero mess, and the airless design protects the integrity of the actives inside. In terms of longevity, one bottle easily lasted me a month, with twice daily use on targeted areas, and it could last even longer if used more selectively. I haven't personally interacted with Rescue MD's customer support, but their reputation online seems solid, especially among post-treatment clinics and estheticians who recommend the product. That speaks volumes about how it's positioned in the professional skincare space. If the price makes you pause, there are some gentler, more budget-friendly alternatives like The Ordinary's niacinamide or Rosehip Seed Oil blends from brands like the Inky List. But none of them combine peptides, Lapachol, and Allantoin in one formula like this. So if you're serious about targeted scar care and post-procedure healing, this one has a very specific niche and does it well. So final thoughts. Rescue MD's DNA Repair Complex Pro delivers on its core promise. It supports skin recovery and helps reduce visible signs of damage with a smart, well-balanced formula. It's ideal for anyone healing from procedures or looking to soften stubborn scars, especially if you're consistent with usage. It's not a one-size-fits-all miracle, but it is a well-crafted solution for those needing real skin support. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. The link to purchase is in the description box or comments below. And hey, if you've tried this serum, I want to hear from you. Drop your experience in the comments. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.